Good afternoon everyone, it's Han here at getcancode.com again. Today I will do another unboxing video of a brand new RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. The brand is Kogan. I got this gaming mechanical keyboards for a very cheap price, only 25 Australian dollars. Let's have a look to see how does a mechanical gaming keyboard at the price of $25 look like. Hopefully we get a very good keyboard for the price, like a good value per price keyboard. The packaging is okay. Okay, looks good. So what we have in here is a instruction. There's an instruction inside. Kogan RGB mechanical gaming keyboard quick starting guide, USB 2.0, 1.6 meter of cable and key rollover. If you don't know, one of the big advantage of mechanical keyboard over remembrance keyboard is remembrance keyboard is that the mechanical keyboard can accept more than 5 keys being pressed down at the same time. So it's called N key rollover. So support Windows Vista 7, 8, Windows 10, Mac and Linux. So basically most of the prominent computer. Some other instruction on how to control the lights on the keyboard. This is RGB one, so it has the LED lights. So you can open the breathing mode. Probably the keyboard, the lights on the key is gonna just keep posing based on the like to imitate the breath. There's some other mode like fluctuating wave mode, dancing stream mode. We also can turn off the lit colors if you don't like. There's a programmer mode. There are 5 different gaming modes. Seriously, this is so good, man. For 25 Australian dollar. And the package is good as well. Have a look. The package is good with all the protection, all the cushion protection on both sides of the keyboard. Let me take out the keyboard. Put over. Wow. Very well protected, guys. Let me see. Wow, it is a pretty heavy keyboard, as you can see here, and it's much better than I expected for $25. The quality of the keyboard is good, like it's thick and it's long enough for most of the usage. There's some screw here that we can use to open the keyboard. One of the things that I missed is that it doesn't have a keycap puller, little things to pull up the keycap, but I think I can get it for a cheap price from eBay. Let's have a look at the keyboard. Let's have a closer look at the keyboard. There's a metal bars outside of the keyboard. There's a metal bar running along the keyboard, as you can see here. It looks pretty shiny and beautiful. let's have a look at the other. So look at the back of the keyboard. So it has a thing here for us to lean the keyboard at an angle. So for some people prefer to type like this. And what does it say in here? Kogan RGB mechanical keyboard. The quality, the build quality is very good for $25, guys. I'm a bit concerning about. Oh, I think the keyboard itself, like the text on the keyboards, are just transparent plastic for us to see through the RGB lights. Everything, the key size are good. I love this key size. Let's type something. The quick brown fox jump over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jump over the lazy dog. This is another thing I want to tell you guys, that this is blue switch mechanical keyboard, so the noise is loud, but if you like me, you type a lot, you game a lot, you will like the clicky sound of the keyboard, but make sure that you only use it when you are alone, or your partner or your housemate don't care about the noise. I'm in my own room, so I will not bother anyone for using this blue switch mechanical keyboard. But overall, I think for $25, this Kogan RGB mechanical gaming keyboard is great. The build and everything is great. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.